What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about overall stock market, and now let's dive right into it. Dow is down 0.17%, Nasdaq down 0.63%, and S&P down 0.46% on the day. And here in this groups we got on top industrials, energy, utilities, consumer cyclical. On bottom, technology, communication services, healthcare, real estate, consumer defensive. And if you look at the stock market map, we got Amazon up 0.75%, Tesla down 1.5%, Google down from being up all the way up to I think 111 or 110, down 0.39%. Meta absolute flat day here on Meta. Nvidia down 2%, AMD flat on the day, Microsoft down 0.5%, and Apple finally down 1% on the day. And now we're going to look at SPY ETF. So before we start this video on SPY, please hit that thumbs up button. That is greatly appreciated, guys, and that really helps out with YouTube algorithm. And if you find these videos are helpful and you want to get more access with me throughout the day, and especially want to support the channel, get my daily trade ideas, my swing trade ideas, and also 3 days of live trading in my Discord, check out the Patreon. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And if you're new to this channel and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. And now let's get right into it. So if you look at my screen on SPY, where is this white line 20 SMA sitting? 411.38, and now SPY trading below white line 20 SMA, which is not a bullish indication going into tomorrow. But it's also holding 410.72 as a support, orange line 13 SMA. Below that we also have support, blue line 5 SMA, 409.89, and if that gives up, a quick trip down to 407 possible on SPY, and then possibly even lower down to 404. To the upside, SPY can break and hold 411.38. We're going to see a quick trip all the way up to 415.27, and then watch out all the way up to even 418 to 420, possible with some good CPI numbers tomorrow. If tomorrow we get hotter than expected CPI numbers, we could see a drop all the way down to especially 404, and then in next few days possibly closing all these gaps down here at 401 and 396. And now we're going to look at triple Q. So on triple Q, we almost had that breakout, and now it's under 322. Now tomorrow is another day, but also it's still bullish. Does not mean anything that is trading below 322. It's still holding above a rising daily 20-day and also daily 5-day moving period right here, which is sitting at 320. So triple Q here, guys. Tomorrow 322 breaks, we could see a trip all the way up to 326, up to even 330. Now to the downside on triple Q, we got support at 320, 318 right here, rising 20 daily moving average right here, 320, and below that watch out for this gap down here at 314.94. We also will have support down here at 313 at strong support on triple Q before coming down to 311 to this lower Bollinger Band, and then possibly filling this gap at 308. To the upside, triple Q needs to break 322 again, and if that happens tomorrow with some good numbers, CPI numbers, we could see a rally all the way up to 326, where this upper Bollinger Band is sitting. And now we're going to look at IWM Russell 2000 ETF. On IWM, it's down 0.30%, and look at this drop all the way down to 172. And before finding some buyers, because we have support around 172, 173, blue line 5 SMA, and now holding 173 right here. Blue line 5 SMA is the support into closing. We also have resistance at 175, 176.66, and then 178. IWM takes out 170. There is going to be more downside, possibly down to 167, 165, all the way down to October lows, 160, and who knows, guys, maybe even lower. So IWM definitely not looking bullish in any case, and this one here, it's just a matter of time. When this thing breaks below 170, we're going to see more downside. Now IWM actually gets that breakout, I would say above 183, that would look more bullish, and this thing will be out of the woods, and we're going to see more upside on IWM once we get that breakout above 183. And now we're going to look at VIX Volatility Index. On VIX is up 4.30% on the day, but VIX here only got above 1730. And if you look at my screen, this trend line right here, it's been holding 1730. Now it's holding again as a support, and also looks like it's holding 1765 or 1748 right here. Blue line 5 SMA as a support also. So we have support around $17 on VIX, and this thing needs to break 18. If that happens, we're going to see a quick trip all the way up to 20, and above 20, guys, you got to be careful. Market will get a significant pullback and everything will come down. Now on VIX, 1730 and 17 bucks gives up. We're going to see new lows on VIX, or at least a retest of this low down here, 15.53. And now we're going to look at DIA, Dow Jones ETF. So last 2 days, absolutely boring market. Not really going anywhere. I mean, look at this. High for the day, 336.68. Low for the day, 335. So if you're trading in this range, you're not going to make absolutely nothing. If you're a day trader, you're not going to make any money in the market. It's absolutely flat. I mean, what are you going to make here on a $1, $2 move? Just going sideways. So these are some days you want to stay away from the market and just watch and wait for the right opportunity. Then you can make money in the market. And tomorrow we got the CPI, so a lot more will play out possibly after tomorrow and tomorrow, guys. So be careful out there tomorrow. There's going to be a lot of volatility in the market. Now DIA here, if you look at my screen, absolute flat day. It's holding above 335. Also not getting breakout above 337. DIA needs to break 337, and then we're going to see a quick trip up to 340. Below 335, watch out for this gap down here at 333.59. We will also have support at 332, 330, red line 50 SMA, and then we have another gap here at 328 and one more gap down here. So a lot of gaps here on DIA. One to the upside, but we got about what? 1, 2, 3 gaps to the downside on DIA, and those gaps, I can tell you, will get filled. I just don't know when that is going to happen, guys. And that's all I have for you guys tonight. Thank you so much for watching.